Hello everybody, Kava here, coming at you from Baltimore, from the abode, the humble abode of Senora Chugs, and have a really exciting new product from Bula Kava House, in really compelling and beautiful new packaging. This is the Private Reserve Leka Hina. I'm probably not pronouncing that correctly, but wait, what do you think?
Yeah, my first thought was Leka Hina too, but I'm not an authority on the subject either. It's a beautiful package, and I love the concept. It's the the only size he sells it in is the pound, right?
Yeah.
So it's not something to try. It's
so
like
there's kava leaves in there.
What?
There's kava leaves like.
Oh yeah, you can kind of get them. Oh,
yeah.
That is tight.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
And it's got this top shelf kind of vibe to it, you definitely want, you can have it be on the bar, with your best wine, and take it out, and then we'll do a little unboxing here. This is Kava first, an unboxing.
Absolutely. I love the concept. It's not your entry level kava, right? It's only sold in the 1 pound. This is for the connoisseurs,
Yeah, and it's a small batch, so it's one cultivar. It's a single cultivar. It's not a mix or a blend from an island. It's more of an actual sourced. I believe I read that it's a dwarf variety that's supposed to be super potent, and it's Tongan, which I haven't mentioned yet. It's Tongan.
Yeah.
And this guy has a really beautiful color and.
Yeah, absolutely. I think we need to touch on really how novel that is to have a kava that's not a blend.
Yeah.
That's something that up until. A few weeks ago, as we've been discussing it, I'd not really understood that really all of it's blended at some point somewhere down the line. To separate the kava into individual cultivars is extremely difficult to do, and it requires an extremely controlled supply chain.
Absolutely. And it looks like a medium grind, and it's got a nice color to it. So we're gonna mix it up. We're going to test out the Private Reserve Leka Hina. Leka Hina, yeah. Leka Hina it is. And let's go for it, Chugs.
Yeah, bring it on.
Alright, so the, what is it called again? The Leka Hina.
Leka Hina.
The good old Leka Hina Private Reserve from Bula Kava House. It's got an interesting texture to it, a little bit of an oily surface.
Oh yeah,
and I think that's some kava lactans surfing on the waves.
Oh yeah, I found the color fascinating. Look how milky it is. Let me see if I can get the camera to get the light to hit it right. It's kind of difficult, but
if you tap the screen and sometimes it'll focus.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
This is also an iPhone lesson.
Yeah.
Within the kava review.
You can kind of see how it reflects the light. The point is this stuff is super turgid. It's nice but it's not. Turgid. Yeah. But it looks silky smooth, and I'm interested to see how it feels on the tongue and the throat.
All right, Bula.
Bula.
Definitely very Tongan tasting. Definitely tastes like a premium kava, as it claims. You want to?
Yeah.
You want to try yours? A little flip action.
Bula.
Yeah, it's nice. Oh, and it really tingles too afterwards.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
I smelled a lot of it.
Yeah, no, I gulped it pretty. I don't know. I'm pretty aggressive.
That's how you do it, though, right?
Oh my gosh! Wow, I'm surprised at how light it tastes.
Yeah,
it's so smooth and
it's very
really
tingly,
silky.
I don't know if you've gotten the tingle yet, but it tingles kind of more the sides of my mouth.
Yeah, it kind of does. It's very characteristically Tongan, and you feel it right in the front of your face.
Yeah.
That kind of that kind of zingy feeling like you just had a great idea. And man, all that talk about color earlier, I'm really surprised it doesn't have a gritty mouthfeel or anything. These are, and this very well could be attributed just to the grind of it. It's got a very nice, even, flowery grind, but with a good healthy bit of some of this macas in there to kind of
Yeah.
give it some texture to knead with, and I found it really felt like I was getting some really productive kneads out of it as I was making it, and man, it certainly makes for a really wonderful texture of the mouth, and it's a very strong kava too.
Yeah. Well,
Granted, it's not like a hit in the face, you know. This is this is a top shelf quality kava. This isn't really like a super strong weekend kava.
Yeah, it's a good like luxury session kava.
Yeah, and
top shelf.
Yeah. It seems to come on nice and slow and easy.
Yeah.
I bet you after a few shells of this will feel pretty crunk.
And we'll definitely let you know. We'll definitely let you know.
No doubt, it seems like it's gonna come on strong, but it's gonna come on nice and slow.
All right, we'll get back to you in a minute. All right, so Bula Kava House, private reserve, Leka Hina.
Yeah. Stuff is good, man.
We've had like 3 sessions, 6 tablespoons per session, divided amongst 2 people. Nice and stony and really good for like conversation, for socialization.
Absolutely.
For socializing.
It's a conversation lubricant for sure.
Yeah.
And it's got a smooth, milky texture. I love it. It feels nice in the mouth. I really like the grind on it. Which I guess I would say that about a lot of Bula Kava House products. That I really like. It just seems to work well in the strainer, and really, I feel like I can get the really productive kneads on it.
Yeah. I'd say at its price point, it's going to be something that you're going to want to, put aside or kind of have as a top shelf kava. Definitely not an everyday kava, at $79 a pound. But just, really smooth, excellent. You can tell it's a small batch. It has that kind of clean burn to it that is really indicative of a good kava. A great kava.
It comes on slow, but it'll come on strong, you know, like real strong.
And I'd be interested, like, as these roll out, if there are more of them, I'd be interested in trying new ones. And, like, every time a private reserve comes out, checking it out. But, at $80 a pound, I wouldn't make it an everyday kava.
Yeah, that's for sure. It seems like it's marketed almost to be a gift,
Yeah.
Like to your kava connoisseur. You're coming out right around Christmas.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, Bula Kava House has some Christmas ideas, I guess. So yeah, it's been a good experience. I still have a good amount left. I would say that I would have appreciated like a Ziploc or like a vacuum packaging, because like this the way it opens, you have to kind of put like your own tie and then get it back in the container.
Oh man, it might spill that way actually if you turn it sideways.
So it would be nice to have a better bag.
Yeah, I would agree.
Like,
with
or
that.
even like a plastic jar or something that's airtight, because like this will be exposed to air like this.
I would agree with that. In conceit, it may be a superficial conceit, but I would certainly agree with that.
Yeah.
The packaging.
Yeah.
Could
Just some feedback.
Yeah.
But overall, just really excellent kava. Cool presentation. Really novel idea. Innovative. Look forward to seeing more of what is to offer from the private reserve selection. So Bula to Bula Kava House.
Bula.
And we'll catch you next time.